Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
About $2,500. Hail damage repair costs, per dent, range from about $30 to $45 for small ones, $45 to $55 for medium-sized, and $75 plus for larger dents. What's the average cost of hail damage repair? About $2,500. Sadly, following a hailstorm, it's unlikely you'll have just a single dent to repair.
Take our lead.
Leave the car in direct sunlight so that it heats up and is hot to the touch. Place small pieces of dry ice in the center of the dents for a few seconds and remove them. The dents will pop out on their own. Wipe the area down with a soft, clean cloth.
Take our lead.
It involves getting all the way down to the metal around the dent and then covering the damage with body filler material. The auto repair tech can then sand it down and paint it to match the rest of the vehicle.
Make your mark, take our lead.
That's because sunlight warms the metal on your car's body. As the metal warms, it expands, and if you're fortunate, expanding metal may cause the dents to pop back out and disappear. Parking your vehicle for just 1 week in the hot sun may eliminate up to 90% of the dents caused by hail.
Let's help you make your mark.
Comprehensive insurance is the only way to cover hail damage. Generally, adding comprehensive coverage costs an extra $100 to $300 per year. Considering that a hailstorm can end up costing you thousands of dollars, it's not a burdensome expense to pay.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.